What's something people don't know about holiday lights? They can be as smart as a whip with WS2811 LEDs. WS2811. LEDs are these nifty little gizmos that'll make your holiday lights pop like never before. They're programmable, meaning you can get them to shimmer and shine in any color you fancy. Imagine your Christmas tree twinkling with a rainbow of lights, or your porch glowing like a warm southern sunset. With WS2811 LEDs, you ain't just settling for plain old lights. You're creating a light show that'll have the whole neighborhood talking. And the best part? They're easy as pie to set up. Just hook them up to a controller and you can sync them with music or even make patterns that dance around like a jitterbug. So if you're looking to add a bit of magic to your holidays, give WS2811 LEDs a try. Trust me, y'all won't believe the sparkle they'll bring to your celebrations. Happy holidays and keep shining bright.